Hello friends, today we are going to interface IR sensor with buzzer and Raspberry Pi 4B. So this is the IR sensor we are going to use. The sensor has VCC, ground and output, that is the data. So we will connect this as well as the buzzer. The sensor will be the input and the buzzer will be the output. What else will be using? The breadboard, the wires, jumper wires, male to female. This is the Raspberry Pi. Now we will connect it. First the IR sensor. We have the IR sensor. The red. For the VCC, we can read it here, VCC. So we'll put below the VCC and connect it here. After that we have the ground. The ground, connect the ground to the third pin. This is the ground. And the last one is for data. Here we connect the data to the GPIO pin. We'll take 37. Oh no, 38. We'll take 38. This is the 38. Okay. So now you let us see whether the sensor is working. Yeah. You are getting a light over here when you come near it. Okay. So this is the sensor is working. Now we'll put the buzzer. This is an active buzzer. You have a positive pin. The long leg is the positive and the small leg is the negative. The small one we will connect to the ground and the longer leg we will connect to any data pin. Here we will connect it to 37 pin number, GPIO pin number 37. So we will I have placed a red tape over here so that we will know okay, the red is for the longer pin. Now I will connect it here. Yeah. Only 2 jumper wires are required, one for the long pin and another for the short pin. As I told you, the short pin will go to the ground. We have a ground behind this, and the longer pin will go to the data. We'll take 37. Yeah, 37. So everything is connected this way. Now we will write a code for it. So this is the screen for the code. It is written in Python. First I will explain to you the sensor. Sensor is, we have given the GPIO pin 38 for sensor. Buzzer we have given 37 and the mode is board. Board is for the physical pins. These are the physical numbers 38 and 37. You can see it in the chart. Other than that, you can see your sensor is in GPIO in and buzzer is GPIO out. So as soon as you feel a sensor, the buzzer will ring. So here first initially we'll make buzzer as false. Now our sensor is ready. We'll come down and see more. So while this statement is true, we go in the object not detected. If true, the object is not detected, else the buzzer is false. Sensor is true and the buzzer is false. Otherwise the buzzer is true. So object is detected. Buzzer is false, then object is not detected, and buzzer is true, then object is detected, because false means the buzzer will not ring and true means the object is detected and therefore the buzzer will ring and it will come out and clean the whole thing. This is a loop, and when we give Control C, it will come out of it. So now let's run it. You can see it here. Run. So now I'll touch this. You got it. See, object detected. Okay. So this is how we do it. That's all for today. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.